Hello, welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. So in today's video, we're going to be going over inversion FVGs. As yesterday in the free Telegram, I did in fact call a nice GBP USD inversion level for you guys who are in there to trade off, and it worked out perfectly. So I thought I'd reiterate and go over inversion FVGs again for higher probability trades. So how to use inversion FVGs. So there's three things that make up an inversion FVG. So the first thing is that it was a previous FVG heading into a certain buy side or sell side target that has now been reached. The second thing that an inversion FVG consists of is a previous FVG now swapped market delivery and closed through 50% of the FVG in task. And then our final is the FVG must be a full-bodied, volatile, moving candle for it to be seen as a relevant FVG to use. So these are our three things that we are looking for when we're using an inversion FVG. And now I'm going to show you why this GBP USD was such a good example of this. So moving over to the chart, what did we see on GBP USD? So as you can see here, we have Tuesday high, and then we have a previous week's high, so Friday high, Tuesday high, and then on Wednesday, as we know, the weekly structure of this type of setup is a midweek reversal kind of setup. And the fact we had all of these lows lying underneath here, Monday low and a Tuesday low, as two daily lows to potentially target, and then we had this FVG down here, this made a nice example to use FVG, inversion FVG. So if we zoom into price, we can then notice we have this 1 hour inversion FVG. So this only becomes an inversion FVG when we close down here. So once these two candles, these two bearish candles have shown us a closure through this FVG that we are talking about on the hourly time frame, this then becomes a zone where price may reach back into, and then we can switch market delivery. Because if market delivery was going to continue to the buy side, it would have kept using this FVG as a trigger and a place to bounce from to continue higher in price. And as you can see, we bounced once from this FVG, but it failed to hold, and then price closed through. And then what occurred was the fact that this inversion FVG, so this is a point of volume within the market, we've then closed through, we've then retraced back up into this volume of this bodied candle, and we can then use this as our inversion FVG to then target these specific targets down here. So obviously, don't just use this on its own, you have to compound your confluences. But because we had Monday low and Tuesday low sat here that are not being mitigated yet via sell side liquidity, we can then use this IFVG as an entry point for this trade. What we can then do is you can go from the open of the inversion FVG, and simply all you want to do is cover the whole inversion FVG with our stop loss, and then our targets were obviously this sell side of Monday low and Tuesday low, and this eventually turned out into a potential 5-hour trade. So this was actually given out in the free Telegram in London on the 28th of August. If you are looking to join the free Telegram, all the links are in the description for potential analysis to be sent to you like this that I'm looking for in each trading session. So make sure to go ahead and join the free Telegram in the link in the description. But this has just been a simple how to use our inversion FVG. So the three main points is you wait for a closure through, you ensure that it's an FVG candle, so you need to have a lot of volume within this candle and little to no wick of the candle in taut. You then need a failure to hold to continue price delivery in that certain direction, and then obviously then you just find your entry on the open of the inversion FVG, and then your stops can go just above the FVG's high. Other than that, this gives you a nice ability to call a high probability trade as long as you do have other confluences mixed into the IFVG setup. I wouldn't go any lower than the hourly time frame for using these because they're less strong than a normal FVG. So definitely keep to the high time frames, but these work on the 4 hour, the daily, the weekly, and the monthly, and they do in fact act as a source of volume. But when price closes through, we can then use it as a resistance point within the market to take the opposite side. Other than that, that has been a quick example of a very nice setup that was caught using IFVG. All links are down in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you all in the next video.